Have you ever wondered how to successfully cultivate exotic orchids in your own garden? These flowers, renowned for their unique beauty, often intimidate with a reputation for being difficult to grow. Well, it's time to dismiss that myth as we guide you through the steps to cultivate these beautiful flowers. First, it's essential to understand your orchid. An expression of nature's diversity, each orchid species has its own set of needs and preferences. It's crucial to unravel the mystery of your particular orchid type, as the care it requires will significantly depend on this. One of the best ways to do this is by researching your orchid's native habitat and striving to reproduce those conditions in your home. Remember, every orchid type is unique and requires different care. Now let's dive into the steps to successful cultivation. The journey begins with choosing the right pot and soil. Orchids love well-draining soil and pots with plenty of ventilation. Next, focus on providing the correct light and temperature conditions. Most orchids prefer indirect light and a temperature between 65 and 85 degrees Fahrenheit. Watering is a delicate task. Remember, it's better to underwater than overwater. A common rule of thumb is to water once a week in the winter and twice a week in the summer. Lastly, fertilize regularly, but sparingly. A balanced orchid fertilizer used bi-weekly during the growing season will do wonders. With these steps, your orchid can thrive in your home or garden. To summarize, cultivating exotic orchids is more about understanding their needs than having a green thumb. The key points to remember are knowing what type of orchid you have, replicating its natural habitat as closely as possible, and providing proper care, which includes appropriate watering, feeding, and light exposure. By following these guidelines, you're well on your way to becoming an orchid whisperer. So, are you ready to add some exotic beauty to your garden? Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks.